Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, right now I'm here in one Malaysian restaurant here in Hamilton train station. Very near. Yeah, just there. And I'm going to Sydney. Yeah, because I promised. Okay, yeah, you can put it. Sure. Thank you. Yeah, because I promised to one of my friend that I will come. Yeah, they come to Sydney and they want to see me. Nasi goreng Mike. Good evening guys, back to Sydney. Yeah, this is Central Station. I don't have a hotel yet. I'm still looking in the booking app. So like in my previous video, I've shown to you before that here in McDonald's Australia, you can order by yourself using this machine, and you can also pay by yourself using this machine. All you need to do is tap this thing and select and pay, and then you're going to pick up your meal on that side. Yeah, that is how it works here. I don't know if we have that in the Philippines, but I heard there is in Singapore, in Hong Kong. I don't know. Yeah, at the moment I am eating this. It is now 12 o'clock in the midnight, and I don't want to. I mean, I already had a guest house, but yeah, what I want to go is I am ready to sleep when I get there. Yeah, so at the moment I am having this. This is just $3. It's a soft drinks, a burger, and the price, yeah, $3. This is a promotion. Yeah, mate. Right now we are here in Mosman Bay, and I've been here before. If you've seen the video, the title is Mosman Bay, the Ritz of the what's the title? The home of I don't know. Home of the Ritz Australian. That's the title of the vlog that I did before. That's maybe 2 years ago or 1 year ago. Yeah, like what I've said, houses here are like mansion, and you can see those houses in the mountain. Really nice. Yeah, I am with Adrian, and he lives in this area. Yeah, that one is the Balmoral Beach. Nice. We are coming from up there, and we are now here, and this is the Balmoral Reserve. If you can see there, it's there. And Adrian is working here. Before he is working in Sydney, also in Melbourne, and then Apollo Bay, and now he's here. Nice. Good afternoon guys, right now we are here in the airport, and I have this with these two guys. Yeah, they're going back now to Brisbane, and I'm going back to Nelson Bay. guys, good evening. At the moment I'm here in the Railway Square YHA hostel, and this is how it is. So basically this is a hostel with shared, yeah, look, double decker bed. It's 8, 1 2 3 4, so 8 people can accommodate this place. You can see too much mess from different people that are staying in this place. It's $41 per night. Yeah, and I think it's nice. It's just that the people are having a lot of stuff like this. Yeah, downstairs they have nice facilities, a lot of tables, and the good thing is that they have this kind of, you know, charging. Yeah, these are some of the rooms here. Looks really nice. It looks like a train. Yeah, and it's actually connected to the train station. If you look in here, yeah, this is the train station, central train station. Nice. And the rooms are like a train cabin. Looks really nice. And there have a luggage keeper, a toilet, and I think they can rent this bicycle here. Yeah, you can see here some like a notice, like a job hiring advertisement, for sale advertisement, things like that, job opportunities. And this is the place. This is basically the common area. There is these things, you can play games, some discounts for travel, and the rooms are up there, those side, and there are more rooms in here. Reception, they even have this laundry room. Nice. Some of this is washer and some are dryer, and they even have those iron. Nice. And this is the second level of this hostel. Rooms there, and there are more rooms here. So I just checked out from this hostel, and if you see that Wake Up guest house, that is where I stayed before. I consider one of the best hostel here in Sydney. Yeah, nice. But you know, I'm not really loyal because I also want to experience another things like this. I experienced this, and this is a nice hostel. Yeah, they have almost everything. Yeah. Wow, they flatten it this much. Not cool. Coming from Sydney Central Station, we're going to take a bus going to Port Stephen, particularly in Nelson Bay. Yeah. So if you're planning to go to Nelson Bay, Port Stephen area, and you don't want to take a train because it takes a long time to travel from there, I would suggest you can take the Port Stephen coaches that will go straight to Nelson Bay, Pingle Bay, Shoal Bay, Salamander Bay. Yeah, it will go straight there. Yeah, so basically this is the central station here in Sydney. Yeah, around here are some establishment. There are some guest house, hostel, hotel, university, and things like that. So basically this area is the bay for the buses that will go through different parts of you know, neighboring city of Sydney. Like that one, that is going to Canberra, that bus. And there are some more, and I am actually waiting for this here in the Bay 8 for the Port Stephen couches to arrive. And normally, based on the schedule, the bus will leave here from 2 o'clock in the afternoon and will arrive in Nelson Bay at around 5-6 o'clock in the afternoon. So basically around 3 hours travel. But if I take train, that may be around 5 hours because I need to transfer from the train and then take another bus. Yeah, this is my first time to take this bus. I already booked the ticket and it's $39. Yeah, and actually if you're coming from Port Stephen and Nelson Bay, Salamander Bay area, you can also book a ticket and travel. I think the departure from Port Stephen, Nelson Bay is around 9 o'clock in the morning and will arrive here at around 12 o'clock. I am not sure, but you can always check from the website.